What's up, YouTube? About to see if I can do a mukbang. It's been a minute, y'all. I got me some catfish nugget from y'all seen. Ooh, and some onion rings. And I got me some coleslaw. Oh, let me do a thumbnail. It's been a minute, y'all. I miss y'all. I've been working a lot. Everybody all jacked up. And they've been had us working and working and working. And me working in the healthcare field. We still working. Like a lot of things has closed down, and people is like, "Oh, glad y'all still open or whatever." We 24 hours, we're not closing. So, yeah, I just been working. I won't have a day off until this Saturday, which is not going to really be a day off because I'm going to start driving and delivering, doing the Instacart thing, and I might do Uber Eats. So it's not going to be an off day for me. I'm just getting it. I'm doing what I got to do. Let me pray so I can get it in this food because I'm hungry. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Ask these things on your son name, Jesus Christ. Amen. Y'all forgive my eyelashes, baby, because I got to fix it. I got these long nails on, and it's a job. So it's going to be a little quick mukbang. And y'all will see the puppy. He in the car waiting on his mom to come back and get in the car. So he might jump over here. He better not jump over here on my food while I'm trying to eat and talk to y'all. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. I was trying to get me some shrimp. Some shrimp and some broccoli. And some shrimp, broccoli, corn, and potato before. But I ended up coming over here, so get back, puppy. So that's why I end up with this. Ooh, that hush puppy look good. That's why I end up coming over here, going to y'all seen. Y'all know I love they y'all seen coleslaw. So good. Maybe your mom need to come get you for you drop off some food. Come on now. I gotta get ready to go to work, y'all.
You over there begging from your grandmama?
So good, y'all.
You over there begging for you, put. Okay, see you later, old lady.
Okay, girl.
Lock your door.
Okay.
Let your windows up.
Okay. Hi. I guess I will let the windows up a little bit. What y'all been up to? I gotta get back to my mukbangs, y'all. I have more time next week because I cut my hours back at my job so that I can start driving. Now this girl's catfish nuggets. You know what I mean? I can't wait to taste that coleslaw, baby. You know what I mean? What y'all been doing since they want us to stay in the house? I got work, I go home. And I chill out, watch some movies. That's all I've been doing. I've been doing some TikToks. I like that little app. This is the last onion ring. Happy first day of spring, you guys. Today is the first day of spring. Forgive me, I'm trying to talk my mouth full. They're good. Nuggets. So good. That's puppy. Y'all, is that disrespectful? I'm sitting in Kentucky Fried Chicken parking lot eating y'all scene. And doing a mukbang with y'all. How you doing? I don't get to eat all this. I'm about to eat the rest later. This a lot. This must be like two catfish, and they make it into nuggets. That's good though. Look at it, y'all. Okay. Look. So good. If y'all off work, let me know if you're enjoying your time off work. Or if you got children that get on your nerve. My baby 23 now, baby. I couldn't wait. I ain't got to get no babysitter. I love it. Okay, y'all. I'm about to have to go. I got to go to work. I had the rest of this for dinner when I go on my lunch break. I should say dinner break because it's not lunch when I go. It's dinner. And I'm full. But it's good. It was good talking to you guys. And I'll be back to see y'all soon, okay? Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment on my page. Come back to see me. I'll be right here. I'm about to taste this coleslaw, and I'm about to go, y'all. See you later.